Moving on to audio and video editing, and that's where Descript comes in. So your audio and video editing assistant. A brief intro about Descript. So hey friends, I'm Sawan and I'm today excited to introduce you an incredible tool that's revolutionizing the way we create and edit audio and video content. That's with Descript. So Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing software that's designed to make the editing process as seamless and efficient as possible. And it does a good job with it. Whether you are a podcaster, a video creator, or just someone who wants to improve their content, Descript has something for you. What sets Descript apart from other editing tools is its intuitive transcription-based editing. Let's have a look at the Descript interface and pricings. That's how the Descript interface looks like. When you go to sign up, you are able to sign up using your Gmail or giving a new user ID and password. So we use Gmail for the same. We use one of the existing accounts and continue. Great. So you also have an option to use the app, but in our case, what we would do is we'll not use the app. Rather, what we will do is we'll look at the Descript dashboard that's available online. Okay, we sign in, and here we get the Descript dashboard. So you have option to create a new project. It will take you through a few questions. Just answer those, and your dashboard would be ready to use. So here are the pricings. The free one does not have a lot of options. So if you really want to get the full benefits of Descript, you'll have to go with a paid one. So once you are in, this is how the dashboard looks like. You have all the training materials right here in front of you. You have the option to projects, quick recordings, AI speakers, templates, private workspace, Sawan's free workspace, and a lot of different options you'll find, which are, like I would say, self-explanatory. You can edit your audio and video content just like you would edit a text document, and this is really interesting. I'll show you how it works. First, you upload your video or audio file and Descript automatically transcribes it. You can edit your content by simply cutting, copying, and pasting text. So you make changes to your transcript and Descript makes the same changes to your audio or video file. Descript updates the audio or video accordingly. It's that simple. But that's not all. Descript also offers powerful features like overdub, which allows you to create a text-to-speech voice clone to replace words or phrases. This is perfect for fixing mistakes without having to re-record. Imagine you misspoke or need to add a new sentence with overdub. You can type a new text and Descript generates the audio in your own voice. It's like a magic. Descript also includes multiple track editing, screen recording, and collaboration tool, making it a perfect tool for team projects. Plus, the studio sound feature, it enhances your audio quality by reducing the background noise and improving clarity. Whether you are recording in a noisy environment or just want to ensure your audio is crisp and clear, Studio Sound has you covered. And the best part, Descript is constantly evolving with new features and updates being rolled out regularly. It's a tool that's truly designed to grow with you. I have seen Descript 6 months back and I have seen Descript today. It's completely different. It has updated like anything, and you will find the difference when you start using it and when you keep using it for the next 6 months. I hope you enjoy Descript. In the next video, we will see a practical application of Descript, how it works, and what it has in store for you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.